How to check TikTok watch history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your TikTok watch history. So let us begin. First, open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right. Now after you go there, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Now after you're on settings and privacy, scroll down and under content and display you will find activity center. Tap on it. Now here you will see all of your activity on your account. So if you scroll down for a bit, you will see a lot of options and a lot of histories. The one that we want is watch history. So tap on watch history. Now after you tap on watch history, you can do a lot of things here. You can delete your watch histories. You can just select that, tap on delete and delete that. You can even filter by date. So that is basically how you check your TikTok watch history, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.